Hello everyone. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Tom, and I am going to talk about rebuild by design. Do you know what it is? This is hurricane, which name is Sandy. It affected 22 states of USA, and amount of damage is over $65 billion. Because of global warming, supernatural disasters often appeared lately. How can we solve this damage from supernatural disaster? This money can solve it? No. This is not fundamental solution. This is just emergent solution. And we need real solution. And rebuild by design is it. I will show you some examples of rebuild by design.
This is also industrial.
There.
In this video, beautiful structure between ocean and road can can reduce damage from a large wave. And I will show you another example. In this video, we can reduce damage from flood by making a hill. These two videos have common features. First, we can feel after build them, we can feel more beautiful than original view, and we can reduce damage from supernatural disaster. Wait a minute. To protect to protect people from supernatural disaster, we must build preventing construction, and we can build them beautiful and wait a minute. We can make this beautiful and be in harmony with original structure. And this is rebuilt by design. We can prevent disaster, and not just prevent not just recover after getting damaged. To conclude, I'd like to strongly recommend it our country must introduce rebuilt by design. Then we can prevent damage of super disaster, and we can make Korea a more beautiful country. Thank you for listening.